Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Good dose of rain moving through most of the day today. A pretty vigorous cold front, too, especially for this time of year. This is sort of the transitional period, April, May, when the cold fronts get a little weaker, move through a little quicker, high pressure ridges get stronger, and those are what generally win out as we head in towards summertime. But nice to see some good rainfall moving through. We had only picked up about 1/1400ths of an inch of rain so far this month, basically about half the month, bone dry. Almost. And so far today, we've picked up about 4/10ths of an inch of rain. So nice to see that front as it slides its way through. Now, you see the clouds pretty much just kind of break up and die off quickly back in behind the front itself, which is that line that is now approaching the coastline, will be swinging through. Here's what we've got. This is the water vapor imagery that I'll show you where. There's the front itself. So all of the green is where we're seeing a lot of the cloud top, moisture, water content, whatnot. And this is what I was looking at earlier this afternoon. This is a huge little dry slot of air that's barreling in behind that too. So it should cut off that moisture very quickly. Now, that will also help to help to stabilize the atmosphere just a bit, meaning that it will kind of unstir the air mass. The air is pretty stirred up right now with that cold front coming through. That'll just help sort of things settle on down for tonight as it does. We'll likely see some of the low clouds fill in as we go overnight tonight and certainly into early Friday morning. Okay, so let's take the stormcast the next 24 hours and show you what we've got. There's the influence of that drier air moving in. Pretty much chews away at a lot of that cloud cover by through tomorrow morning. We should be looking at some mostly cloudy skies. And again, low clouds anywhere from, I'd say, towards Roseburg, the Umpqua, up across Corvallis down to Eugene, and then should be able to mix all that out, break those clouds up pretty quickly as we head to the afternoon. So here are the rainfall totals. We've added the last hour or so. Still at about 4/10ths of an inch here in Eugene. We're at about 1600ths down in Roseburg. Just about 3/10ths of an inch up into Corvallis, 1500ths or close to it in North Bend, and about 0.37, which is almost 4/10ths as well out towards Newport. So highs across the state today on the cooler side as well. Upper 50s, mid 50s, low 60s everywhere. Look at the warmer air south of Burns towards Ontario. So we give you an indication that cool air with the front moves through. It did not reach this part of the state yet. A lot of warm air drawn up out ahead of the front that will start to sweep on through overnight tonight and tomorrow. Overnight tonight for us, we'll be looking at temperatures falling down into the mid to lower 40s. And again, I'm going to keep a mention of a few isolated early showers that I think they should be gone as we head after midnight tonight. So there's our front sliding through. We've got a little bubble of high pressure that will clear out some of the clouds for tomorrow afternoon. And then look what's coming. This is Saturday's storm. I'll show you what it looks like here on the Stormcast. So there, we'll advance it through about tomorrow night starting at 6 o'clock. Watch the front slide through by Saturday morning, early afternoon. Pretty quick mover, too. It'll move through a little faster, so I don't think it will have as much rain as the one today did. And as that slides through by dinner time, not much back in behind that either. We should be able to dry it out just in time for Easter Sunday. That's the best news of all. Okay, so we've got drizzle in the morning at the coast at times. We'll be looking at mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the mid-50s for tomorrow afternoon. Looking at around the mid to upper 60s as you get down to the Umpqua. The clouds will be there in the morning. Should be able to break that up for the most part as we head after lunchtime. Mostly sunny skies. Snow levels at 5,500 feet. Willamette Pass around 51 degrees. We'll be looking at around 58 to 60, mostly sunny and a bit warmer out towards central Oregon. And here in the Willamette Valley, we should be able to get back into the low 60s and also look at partly cloudy skies by the afternoon. 7-day forecast for the coast showing the afternoon, evening showers. Saturday should be wrapped up for Easter Sunday. And then next week, big area of low pressure just kind of slides down the coastline. That's going to keep things fairly unsettled for most of the week. The Umpqua will be in the upper 60s all the way through Easter Sunday and then cooling off and turning wet again by next week. Cascades, that'll be an isolated rain, snow, slushy mix Saturday afternoon and evening. Dry on Sunday, but then more snow showers, possibly some good accumulating snow by next Tuesday down at the pass level. And here in the Willamette Valley, some morning clouds tomorrow. I do think we'll be looking at a dry start to our Saturday. Won't finish that way, but still dry for Easter Sunday. And showers for most of next week. So kind of making up for that dry start to April. We'll just kind of make it up on the back end here.
All kind of averages together there.
That's generally how it works, yeah.
Thanks, Justin.